Hi fams, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how to rename your WP content folder the easiest way. Now, the first thing is to log into your cPanel, and from there, you want to navigate to your root directory. That's the root directory of your WordPress installation. In this case, I'll just go to File Manager, and then you should be able to locate your WordPress installation. And now, once you are here, the first thing you'd want to do is to rename your WP content. But just before we do that, let's look at the website that we're actually performing this task for. Now, here is the website, and if you try to open this image in a new tab, you'll see that we have the WP content part right in the URL of that image. So what we're going to be doing is to change this WP content part, rename it to something unique to the website. So we're going to come back to the cPanel. The first thing you need to do is to actually rename this folder. Just right click on it, and then you see the option on the drop down to rename. So the next thing is to give it a name. You'd want to give it something that is peculiar to you. In most cases, some people prefer to use assets. You can use media, you can use files, you can use folder. But for the sake of this, I'm just going to stick to media, and then I'll click on rename file. So you can see right there that our WP content folder has actually been renamed to media. So you can see when we try to access the website, it gives us a broken website, and that is because we are yet to complete the task. So we come back to our root directory, and then we go to wp-config.php file, right click on it, and then edit the file. So what we're going to be doing next is to add a 3-line snippet to actually complete the modification. Now, I have the snippet right here. Now, if you look at the first line, we have media right there and media right here as well. And that's because our folder was actually renamed to media. Our WP content folder was renamed to media, and that is why you are seeing media on this first and third line. So in your case, if you rename your WP content folder to something else, maybe file or maybe assets, you'd want to change this media right here to what you renamed your WP content folder to, and also make sure to do it here as well on the last line. So once that has been done, we just copy the snippet as a whole, and then we come back to our wp-config file. If you look at line 90 right there, you should see the absolute part. So we're going to be pasting the code just below that, just one step down, and then we paste the code right there. So once you have done that, we just go ahead and save the changes. But just before we save the changes, we would also want to change this to the URL of the domain. So in this case, we have Mercy Multimedia. So I'm just going to copy that, and then we paste that in there so that we have mercymultimedia.com, which is the URL of that site. So once that has been done, we'll go ahead to save the changes. Now let's reload our website and see if that actually works. Okay, so you can see that the website now loads properly, and if you try to open the image and check, you see that WP content right here has been changed to media. So that's how to go about it. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process, and I hope it's a very useful one for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.